working environment at CTICC has been welcoming and warm. Coming from the Cape Flats, I had to reshift my focus into the bigger picture. It has applied a lot of pressure, and through pressure there comes diamonds. But I love the fact that it challenged me to the point where I needed to test out all these smaller scale things that I've done in a fine dining experience, now being applied to a banqueting, as this is a huge and internationally renowned company. My journey on the Unilever competition has been reluctantly nice. It's definitely a platform for me to showcase my skills and the versatility of the product at hand. And hopefully I'll train up some of my junior staff members to also execute far and beyond better than what I did. And also motivate them to also apply for the competition because it gives great exposure. And thank you to CTICC for the greatest opportunity that I have been given and the consistency of them supporting me through all this journey. And a great shout out to the culinary team at CTICC for their unconditional support. And may we win.